Right, so we're back with the Lada. Need to get it running, and then we're going to sort out the cooling system and the exhaust with young Connor that's with me. It's going to be terrible, but I'm going to love it. Right, let's get her running. Okay, so we've got 2 batteries to choose from. I don't know which one's going to be alright. Yeah. Got to work with the space that we've got in the yard. Don't mind me. I hope this is the right way. Okay, nothing happened, so that's not the best start.
I'll just put it on.
Let's say it might work. Also, listen out for how loud the exhaust is, which is another thing that we're going to be fixing.
A few moments later.
First thing Connor's doing is taking the old bonnet off. Be easier to work on, won't it?
Makes life a bit easier. Right.
Okay, now the fun begins. Have you got a knife?
A knife? That's the one thing I ain't got, mate.
So we just need to cut open the box.
Yeah. Oh, blit. I've poured coolant everywhere.
That's alright.
You can stay there. If you move, I'm going to be very upset with you.
Ow! That hurt. Oh, wait, driver. Will you hold it and I'll hold it open? Or is it stuck at the bottom? It might be. Oh, yep, it's coming. Ah, oh, give birth!
Just put it on vaguely under the car where you see the water leaking. Perfect. Well, I was kind of expecting.
This is my mech neck.
Rory, which end of the ratchet do you hold and which end do you put on the nut?
That's the end, and you hit it with this end. It looks like it's pretty simple.
Yeah.
I reckon that could be a drain down there.
Just get ready with the pan because it's all going to off everywhere. It's now starting to drip.
Yep.
It should, in theory, run.
Yeah, go on.
Ready?
Yep.
Now,
so currently we've got the coolant is draining into a container because save the planet and all that.
It's pretty much empty now, the rad, but I'm going to keep that plug off for now. Hold that for me.
Yeah,
you can hold the tools.
Yep. No.
Oh,
it looks bad. Oh, that looks bad. Does that look like it's had stuff in it?
It does, yeah. It might just be old coolant. Yeah, that just looks like old coolant, man. And now I'm going to take it off bit by bit so we know when we put it all back together and put it all back in the same way we took it apart. Methodically, man. I'd rather take a little bit more time than rush it.
The word of today, methodically. The methodic practice of the Lada part removal. And here we have a Soviet Lada being fondled by a lunatic from Suffolk. Here's his Instagram if you want to see him.
Yeah, mate, you get
I reckon undo that end.
I'll take that end off, yeah. You get in
That's
there?
right. Yeah, it's alright.
Just watch the exhaust manifold, that'll still be quite warm. Replacement clutch slave.
Yes, we replaced the clutch slave and master cylinder. And now the clutch works. That's how I could drive it over here in case you're wondering why it moved, whereas last time it didn't.
Yeah, just watch out, there might be some coolant coming out of that.
Yeah.
Give it a you've got to give it the old razzle.
There we go. Yeah, I know.
See if you get the other one as well while she's down there.
Yeah.
Just remember, watch the socket, it tends to fall off the end of the scooter.
Yeah, I'll keep hold of it. Let's go bowling, Nico.
Hey, cousin.
Wait a sec, that's it. I'm out now. Removal of the shroud.
Oh, not really. How does this come round back? Oh, well.
Does it? Oh, yeah. Yes, we've got one shroud. I've got a new belt for it as well. So this... Oh, that's good.
Oh, there's more poo, there's more pee coming out.
I've gone and lift it up.
It's alright, I'm tipping it out. Is it all still going in the pan?
Yep. If I squeeze it, then we shouldn't have to get past the pan. There we go. That's got it. Right. Old road. New radiator. So, new versus old. I forgot there was a second box. New belt. Water pump. thermostat housing thing with the thermostat in it. Yes. I know.
What the? Oh, that was when it ate your that was when it ate
€8.
Yeah. The water pump probably just came off. That's easy enough. There you go, yeah.
I don't even know where these are.
What you taking out? The alternator bolts to the alternator bracket, bolts to the water pump.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh, that's fantastic.
I mean, if I move that out of the way, it gives a bit more view.
Why is the fan not symmetrical?
Well, because
that is an X. I mean, look at the water pump. Even the water pump.
it's cast on the end.
Yeah, but the water pump looks like a weapon from James Bond. Like, no, Mr. Bond, I expect you to bleed.
Oh, that's that. Okay, don't put your hands there. That's not very structurally sound.
I've
I've got half of your car stuck to my palm.
So what Connor's doing here, undoing the water pump, the Wasserpump.
There's a pan going where it should be, dude. Yeah, it is.
Yeah. I can't see anything.
There, it definitely ended up in the pan.
Oh, just keep fucking going. Plough through. Plough the battle. Grill removed.
Good luck trying to find it.
So just so you can see, these are the two water pumps. There's the old, the old versus the new. Slightly different. Oh, I'm not holding it the right way, but yeah. But I was a bit worried about the overall length and stuff, but it all looks good. The housing's slightly smaller on this one, but that's not a problem. It's just this must be really old in design, but it looks the same. Does it look the same to you? I'd say it does. I'll try and move my thumb out of the way. See anything but the flow. How goes there? Oh, hello there. For now, I'm going to attack the exhaust that's blowing like crazy.
I'm going to try to at least.
Just down here.
No, that ain't going to go, do it?
No?
No, that needs a bigger tool than what I can provide you with.
So if I can show you down here. But basically, where are you looking? Basically, here's one of the studs, and there was one here, but it's now dead and gone. Here. Oh, where is it? There. Ah, this one with the RGB on it. Do you want me to quickly clean that up?
Yeah, good man.
Right, fan's back on.
Where's the new metal?
Yes, new blet.
Yes, I know the pulley is still loose. I'd rather get it all kind of in the same place and then it will get pulley on. Oh, fucking sake.
What was that?
Bolt, I've just dropped the one. Oh, fucking hell.
Where's the bolt?
Dropped it underneath. It's under the car. I'll give a little bit of a finger.
Do you want me to get the metal thing?
I've got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Legend.
There you go. See? All part of the master plan. Now we need a little pry bar.
I can literally just. Well, you want me to get it in there and put it back?
No, I want to use the bracket. I want to get something in there. Yeah, but that's not difficult. That is true.
Down there, the block's actually f***ing blue.
Nah, never to be seen again.
Cosworth block, that's what I...
Yeah, right. Well, I bet.
Fun day of fixing the Lada. Whack, whack.
Turned around and he...
I had to think about it. Like...
Into a vehicle. Oh, see if this one even says a number on it.
Oh, bear with.
No, this can go in there, man.
Yeah. He's a young.
15 years. How old are you?
I'm 33. What? Stuff going in.
The only thing is this is going to get in because no matter where you put that, you're always going to struggle getting a clip on it.
Okay, so let's put some coolant in it, I guess.